Hola, 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 Shapfele Uzit Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SA News. I hope everyone is having a great one today. And on this one today, we got you Calf Slaps, Lupopo's Mukoko with suspension. And ahead of Mamelodi Sundowns tie, we all know Guti, a lot of South African fans and spectators have been looking forward to Mukoko coming back to SA when we saw him making a grandstand when he was playing against Orlando Pirates. But on this one today, we hear Uguchi Mukoko's is with suspension, and Kev has handed him that. But let's go ahead with the news. Despite traveling with the Congolese side, FC Saint Elupopo for their Group C CAF Championship League match against Mamelodi Sundowns on Saturday. Mukoko Amel will be watching from the stands after being handed a suspension by CAF. Mukoko hogged the limelight for all the wrong reasons during his side's dramatic elimination of Orlando Pirates in the CAF Championship qualification phase last month. The vital second leg match at Orlando Stadium saw both the Buccaneers and their Congolese opponents reduced to 10 men after Tepang Muremi and Christopher Sumbo were sent off in their first half, while FC Lupopo ultimately lost the second leg 3-0 on the day. They secured their spot in the Championship League group stage by defeating Orlando Pirates in a penalty shootout. This came after the aggregate score remained deadlocked at 3-3 following Lupopo's identical 3-0 victory in their first leg at home. Dramatic incidents made that fixture with Lupopo FC right back Mukoko at the heart of the controversy. His unsporting conduct included a headbutt attempt at Cindy Namtamjela and a stomp on the heel of Aswin Apolis. His animated and provocative celebrations directed at Orlando Pirates bench after winning duels with also flagged and as unsporting. Mukoko went on to have a confrontation Pirates captain Nkosinati Sibia on the touchline. The most uh, tactical moment was his reaction to a shove from Muremi. Mukoko exaggerated the fall dramatically, rolling on the turf with while clutching his face despite escaping punishment. During the match itself, CAF has reviewed the footage and subsequently issued the ban, ruling him out of the crucial clash with Mamelodi Sundowns in a CAF secular scene by Everything SA Diski. The melodramatic defender who wore jersey number 36 has been suspended for 2 CAF club competition matches. It means he will miss the match against Sundowns on Saturday at Loftus Stadium in Pretoria. He will also miss Liverpool's clash against Al Ali SE next weekend for assault and unsporting behavior against an opponent. Also, Police accordance with Articles 11 and 123 of the CAF disciplinary code. Please let me know what you think about this news. Are you excited that the player is not gonna make his way to the team or what? Please make sure you smash that subscribe button. How am I?
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Sibele Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is